Strength begins its final journey. Precision and control guide every first step. The journey shifts from wild ground to industrial path. Distance shortens between nature and industry.
Easy now, keep moving.
Every movement is directed with purpose. Raw material enters the system of transformation.
The first cleanse strips away the wild exterior.
Skilled hands refine what machines begin.
Classification defines the path ahead.
Inside, controlled environments replace the chaos of nature. Ocean and moisture begin the deep purification. Time and water restore the hide's workable form. Precision removes what does not belong.
Full plane. Cleanliness is refined layer by layer.
For transformation.
Technology directs each piece to its exact path.
Here, raw hide meets the chemistry of permanence.
Every rotation drives transformation deep within. Fibers lock into a new, lasting structure. The material emerges changed, yet unfinished. Excess is removed to reveal true structure. Suspended between stages, the material breathes. Air and time refine the transformed fibers. Balance between dryness and flexibility is restored.
Tension shapes consistency across every surface.
Every flaw is noted before refinement begins.
The material begins to respond like finished leather. Strength gives way to flexibility through controlled motion. The surface is refined to uniform perfection. Drying stabilizes the final form. The material begins to respond like finished leather. The surface is refined to uniform perfection.
Clean surfaces prepare for finishing layers.
Heat seals color into lasting permanence.
Protection enhances both strength and beauty. Texture is enhanced without losing authenticity.
From raw origin to refined material, transformation is complete. Precision begins where material meets intention.
Technology ensures no detail is left to chance.
Every cut defines the future product.
Human skill perfects machine precision. Refinement prepares each piece for assembly. Structure emerges through measured repetition. Separate parts unite into functional form.
Complexity builds with every added layer.
The final touches now come into focus.
Every piece must prove its worth. Perfection is measured in the smallest details.
Protection is tested against the unexpected. Uniform color defines premium identity. Resistance defines long-term reliability.
Experience confirms what machines detect.
Quality clears the path to final presentation. Presentation begins where production ends.
Protection preserves craftsmanship.
Packaging reflects the value within.
Each piece is secured for its journey ahead.
Identity travels with every package. Scale meets precision in organized form. Stability ensures safe passage beyond the factory.
Easy now, set it down right there.
The journey continues beyond these walls.
And this is how modern factories produce Plains Bison leather from start to finish.